Good morning friends, this is Khurshid Pasha once again before you, and today we are going to discuss one more interesting topic. In previous class you enjoyed I think solar system, and today we are going to discuss about human body and its organs. Being a human beings, we should know what are the important organs in our body and how these organs are functioning. Friends, this is human body. You can see here the top to bottom how the human body will look like. As you know that human body, the top part is our head. Do you know what is the duty of head? Yes, in head there is a skull. Do you know the skull? Yes, this is the skull. What is the duty of skull? Skull will protect our brain. Exactly. The main organ of the human body is brain. So it's very sensitive part, but this brain is very useful. It manages the total network of the human body. Our police and our government always giving warning to us while driving, please use helmets. Exactly. So my dear friends, after head we have the one more important organ in our body. Let's come down. So this is our important organ, that is lungs. What is that? Lungs. So the important part of the human body, the muscles will be there. After muscles, inside there will be a ribs. So the lungs will be protected by our ribs. So as usually here two types of lungs we can see. Left side one is there and right side will be there, and both lungs are very important for us. So smoking cigarettes is injurious to our lungs. So we are watching always in our movies. So that's why we should protect our lungs very carefully. So recently, if the corona will attack on us, the most damaged part will be definitely lung. So friends, let's come for next one more organ, that is the important organ of the human body, heart. See how the heart is pumping. If the pump is stopped for a second for a while, we will lose our life. So heart is the very important for the human body, and so this heart pumping may call as a love dub. So it's very important and sensitive part. We should protect the heart with carefully, and that's why for a healthy heart we have to do exercise, we have to do yoga, and we have to do running, walking, and we should take a perfect fatless food. Then definitely we can protect our heart. Is very important. So this is about heart, and it's very important organ. Take care of our hearts. And let's come for the next system is digestive system. And before digestive system there will be one liver is there. So liver is also one of the important organ in our human body. It also functions very well. If the liver function will damage, if the liver function will stoppage, definitely we have to suffer a lot. So that's why liver, we should take care. Whatever food we are taking, that should be filtered by the liver. So this is the liver, and the liver is also very important organ in the human bodies. By drinking alcohol more and more, definitely our liver will be damaged. That's why please children, give a warning to your parents or neighbors, those who are drinking. Tell them that should not drink, that definitely your liver will be damaged. So friends, children, please take care of this precaution, and wherever you are, please apply it. And next important organ, my dear friends, what you are expecting exactly right, that is the digestive system of the human. The digestive system of the humans are very important. So every morning whatever we are taking feeding, that's definitely goes to here and the digestive system, and the important part is the digestive system will do all the activities. If there is a no digestive system, we can't eat, we can't get energy, so all this will be breakup. So that's why, and here we can see the digestive system, and the large intestine and small intestine, and so many other organs also located in this pig. Friends, after this, the important one more system in our human body is that is urinary system. Urinary system is also one of the important one. It is works with two kidneys, left and right kidneys. Both are very important. To protect our kidneys, doctor always says that use sufficient water, take sufficient water. So then only we can protect our kidneys. So my dear children, these are the important organs of the human body. So top to bottom, we studied well, we understood well. So I hope all you understood this lesson in perfect manner. Please keep watching. This is Khurshid Pasha, working as a principal social welfare school. I'm signing off. Thank you one and all.